Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java from Beginning Easy Guide. Start by installing the Java JDK and a friendly code editor like VS Code or IntelliJ and verify Java and Javac run in your terminal. Create a simple Hello World program to test your setup and practice compiling and running code. This first step removes setup friction and gets you coding immediately, which builds momentum and makes learning Java feel achievable and fun. Master core concepts by focusing on one idea at a time and practicing small examples. Start with variables and data types, then move to control flow using if, for, and while loops to handle decisions and repetition. Next, practice writing methods with parameters and return types to break problems into reusable parts. Use short exercises to reinforce each topic and gradually combine concepts into mini projects. To solidify understanding, dive into object-oriented programming to organize code into classes and objects that model real things. Learn inheritance and interfaces to reuse and extend behavior, and practice encapsulation to keep implementation details private. Use Java collections like list and map to handle data, and explore the Java API and popular libraries to avoid reinventing the wheel. Build a small project using these concepts to see how they work together in real code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.